So I wanted to make a whole video dedicated to refreshing my curly hair. I've gotten so many requests and questions on how I refresh my hair because I did post a picture on Instagram or a post like on my Instagram story saying that I can refresh my hair like 3 or 4 times a week and it looks perfect every time, which is crazy because I used to not be able to refresh my hair. If I wanted to wear my hair curly, I literally had to get in the shower and detangle and wash it all over again and go through that like first day wash and go phase. And I recently just kind of figured out how to really do my hair. I was never really a person that knew how to do curly hair, and I just kind of threw it on top of my head and called it a day. And now I'm so happy that I finally learned how to do my own hair because it makes me not want to straighten my hair as much, which obviously creates healthier hair, which is super exciting. We all want healthy hair. We love her. So yeah, if you want to see how I refresh my hair, then definitely keep watching. Okay, so this is how I wear my hair pretty much 5 days a week. Just twist it up in a bun. And I've somehow mastered how to completely refresh it from this to how I wear my hair out. So I literally wanted to show you guys straight from getting off of work. So pretty much start to finish. So I've got some bobby pins in there, a lot of bobby pins today. Take all my bobby pins out. My hair's still wet from this morning. We love that. Just pull my hair down. Looks crazy, but we gonna get it together. And if you guys want any other curly hair videos, like my wash day routine or anything like that, how I kind of grew my hair out, that kind of thing, because I have cut my hair probably to like here before, and that was like 2018, I want to say. Now my hair is to pretty much halfway down my back. My goal really is to get it to butt length, and I will be so satisfied, but hopefully by not putting as much heat on it, taking collagen, that kind of stuff, I can definitely grow my hair out faster. So I put one side up, I split it down the middle, it doesn't have to be even, really doesn't matter. And I put the one side up. I just work on the one side at a time. Gotta find a clip. So what I do is I take a clip like this and I separate each section into 3 sections. So you don't want the sections to be crazy big or crazy small, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm lazy. So the smaller sections obviously take longer. My hair is like so knotted. Okay, that's good as gonna get, okay? So I'm gonna take this top part and put it up. Try to get it to stay up there somewhere. Okay. So I have this section out. I literally only do 3 sections. That's it. I don't do any more than that because I am lazy, like I said. Ooh, okay. So the products that I'm gonna be using, which you don't need these exact products, you just need a product of the type that seems to work the best for me. So I use the Maui Moisture Curl Quench Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie. I also use the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian 24 karat twisting gel. Then I use the coconut oil Eco Styler gel. All these products I feel like are super important. The main one that I feel like helps the best is the twisting gel, which is why my hair gets so like knotty and stuff when I put it up, because it literally has twisting gel in it. So what I do next is I just take a regular spray bottle. I don't like misters. It's too much work to get your hair super wet, which is what you need. So I soak my hair. The key is, I'm just gonna spray y'all. That's fine. The key to this working is doing your hair on super, super, super wet hair, like dripping, soaking wet hair. That's the trick. Even like coming out of the shower, when I do my first like wash and go, it has to be on soaking wet hair. So what I do is I wash my hair, get out, I get dressed, whatever. My hair dries. There's like fuzz in my fucking hair. My hair dries pretty fast, like the outside of my hair. Obviously the inside takes like 3 fucking days, but the inside or the outside dries pretty fast. So when I actually get to do my hair, I re-wet it with a spray bottle because it has to be soaking wet. Otherwise, you're not going to get the same results. You're going to get a lot of frizz, which we don't want that much frizz. We already deal with enough fucking frizz. We don't want that. So the first thing I take is the curl cream. That's my first step. And I just finger comb it through my hair. My hair is like so knotty. I'm not even gonna lie, I do not detangle my hair. I don't. Throughout the week, that's why I've got a big knot in my hair right now. I keep feeling it. Throughout the week, when I am just wearing my hair in my buns, that kind of thing, I really do not detangle my hair. This finger detangling is the most that it gets, and usually it's not this bad. I really don't understand why it's so naughty right now. I'm trying to make a video, of course. So finger detangle that in. Take my twisting gel. Same thing. Run it through there. As you can see, like it's starting to get super defined. It's literally the twisting gel. It's like magic. Don't want to get anything on my sleeve. And then take a little bit of the Eco Styler gel. And run that through. And that's it. And then we move to the next section. Split this top section in half. Same thing. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna speed through the rest of this video so you guys don't have to watch all of this. I'm gonna do this one side and then I will come back. Okay, so I got this one side done. It literally took me like 5 minutes once I turned off the camera and stopped being distracted. I do lose a lot of hair in this process. That's only because I'm finger detangling. It's just kind of taking the hair out. It is what it is. The only thing on this top part that I like to do is I take a little bit of extra gel and smooth down the top because it kind of keeps a little bit of that frizz on the top under control. And like these little front pieces, because you don't want the little pieces around your face to get like super frizzy. So yeah, this is the one side, and then I'm gonna do this side and then I will come back and show you the full finished product. Okay, so this is my entire head refreshed. Turn around to the back. Yeah, so it's obviously gonna have a tiny bit of frizz, but obviously curly hair, we love all the volume. We like big hair. I don't fluff mine or anything. I also do not diffuse. I don't know how. Whenever I diffuse my hair, it literally comes out like a big ass puffball, and it just gives me way too much frizz. So I just like to air dry. That's just what I prefer. If you know how to diffuse, obviously dry your hair quicker. The outside layers of my hair dry really, really quickly. Like this side is pretty like dry on like some layers, so you can see that the curls are a little bit drier than others. So it definitely dries fast, and my hair soaks up a lot of water, so it's not dripping wet when I'm done or anything like that. If you have thinner hair, that definitely could be a possibility, but your girl got a lot of fucking hair, so it's definitely not dripping wet. It does have quite a bit of product in it, but I don't really mind it. I literally put my hair up 5 days a week. It gets refreshed maybe 2 or 3 times, 4 times if I'm lucky, but that's really if I'm doing anything or going anywhere, which pandemic ain't happening. So yeah, besides that, it just gets thrown up in a bun. Not really important. I just spray it with water, put a little gel in it in the morning, and go about my business. So yeah. Like I said, if you guys want any other videos of my hair hair washing, I don't know what the hell I'm trying to say, like my hair washing routine, my first wash and go routine, which is, I mean, it's pretty similar to this, honestly, just a couple different steps, or like if you want to see the products that I use or products that I like or whatever, I have a million. So definitely let me know on my Instagram. All of my social medias and stuff will be down in the description box, so definitely check that out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!